Hi, Jared Carmen from the UV Group Mornington Peninsula, and welcome to 35 Woodlands Grove in Safety Beach. Now, welcome and prepare to have your minds blown. This place is awesome. 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, massive block. It has everything and it's beautiful. Go and check it out. Get in there. As you walk in, you're straight away impressed with the size of this entrance. It's a fantastic large entrance, it's very grand. And take your pick, which lounge room? Do you want the lounge room to the right or the lounge room to the left? And both with barn doors. So really good proportions, huge lounge room areas. So the family can disperse or they can come together. So you've got a great room here, great TV room here. You can have a library or a music room on the other side, whichever you prefer. Upstairs, and it's bedrooms galore. The main bedroom is super cool. This is so cool. Original timber flooring, which is just beautiful. Really high ceilings, nice vaulted ceiling. And it goes out to the deck at the front. So you've got great decking. Wardrobe space is huge, but wait till you check out the ensuite bathroom. This ensuite bathroom is so impressive. I'm gonna hang out here for a bit. You've got double vanities, a beautiful freestanding bath. The most amazing feature, you've got 2 showers, but one of the showers is actually a steam room. It becomes its own steam room. Lights up, changes colours. This is so luxurious and beautiful. It's just, I want to hang out here. I just want to stay here all day. So all up upstairs, there's 5 bedrooms. This is one of the bedrooms, which is another beautiful, luxurious room. Great space, timber floors, really great wardrobe spacing. I could live in the wardrobe. And there's another beautiful bathroom that's been renovated to the nth degree. It is just stunning. So downstairs is another bedroom and another fantastic bathroom. And then this leads through to this really amazingly cool setup. So down here you've got another living area, living space that looks out to the garden, and then it opens up into this really funky, cool shaped kitchen. So there's enough room in this kitchen to have a kitchen table in the middle. It's just fantastic. There's bench space everywhere. It looks out to the garden. It's really, really funky and cool. It's got a nice feel to it. There's light coming in from all different angles. And then that flows to outside, to the undercover entertaining, which is enormous. And how good is this? This is fabulous. Beautiful undercover entertaining area, and it is huge. It's enormous, as I said. And it's just a huge, beautiful backyard with very established trees. This is just an amazing family home. So if you're looking for somewhere that the family can play, have a huge yard, and really enjoy, then this 35 Woodlands Grove is a beautiful choice. You're so close to the beach, you're really close to everything. You're walking distance to beaches, shops, it's just amazing. So if you'd like to book an inspection, please give myself and the team a call anytime. They don't come up like this very often. This is a beauty, so hurry.